the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony.
Excited for I'm actually excited now. I gotta go and take it. I gotta go and take it. Where's yours? You've lost your passport. Not again. Oh, Alex. I'll see you there.
Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. The stars in the nighttime sky.
There's a plane.
Walking in cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best.
We are now preparing for landing.
Toronto, baby! Toronto, baby!
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, my heart is yours to own. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. In cold nights with your hand in mine.
Test the bed. 1, 2, 3. It was just like the other bed. The bathroom's really small. Like, look, you can't like open the door when you're sitting on the toilet because your legs are a bit squished by the door.
I mean, yeah, the bath's tiny. I'm not sure I can fit in the bath.
No bath for you then, Alex. Well, this is the room. We've made it. Made it to Toronto. Should we head out? Alright.